Attack!
There's a cat under the tree that loves to play with little things that move.
Robbie, go tell me how many onions we still have.
Sure. Red or normal?
Onions.
Okay.
Is she even still there?
She's still there. Go.
2.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me if you can see the cat.
Stop turning when I don't want you to turn, snake.
Stuck.
On what?
Stop.
Floor is rough. Get that out of your mouth. It might also be losing power.
No, I charged it. Well,
Yes, but that doesn't mean it's not starting to lose power, which means it
Oh.
might not be strong enough. Or something got caught.
Something got caught in it. There we go. It's not doing what I want it to. Just go.
Which buttons are you pressing? Are you pressing
These
the
two,
forward?
and it just keeps going forward.
Then hit the forward button.
Not what I want.
And move out of the way. Come on.
It's moving again.
Okay, maybe you do need to charge it again. Maybe it has a small battery. Alright.